Hello guys. Welcome back to the new video. In this video I am showing how to install Kali Linux 2022.3 on a VirtualBox. First go to a browser and search Kali Linux and download Kali Linux installer ISO image. If you are using a 64-bit PC, then download a 64-bit ISO image. Then go to the browser again and download VirtualBox and install it. I have already installed it. Open the VirtualBox. On the Tools tab, click New to create a new operating system. Then create a name for the operating system. Choose the location to install the OS. Then choose the type of operating system. Here it is Linux. Choose the memory size you want to allocate for Kali Linux. Now select the file size you want to allocate for installing Kali Linux. Here I choose 30 GB. Then click Create. Now go to Settings and in System tab enable Network. Then go to Storage tab and select the ISO image of Kali Linux you downloaded. Now go to Network tab and choose Bridged Adapter. Then click OK. Now you are ready to install Kali Linux. Click the Start button to start the installation. Wait for the installation to start. Choose Graphical Install. Select the language you want. Select your location. Choose your keyboard layout. Create a host name if you want. Leave blank if you don't want a host name and domain name. Now create a username and password. Choose entire disk in partitioning because we are installing Linux on a VirtualBox. Here I am choosing all files in one partition. Now choose the softwares you want to install. Now select the display manager you want. Wait for the installation to complete. Here our Kali Linux is ready to use.